Hi, grade sixes. So today we're going to be looking at the role of the Iroquois women. Please follow along with your notes. Make sure you're filling in the blanks with the bold words, and please make sure they're spelt correctly. Women had positions of respect in Iroquois society. Carol Jacobs, Cayuga clan mother, describes women's standing in this way. In our traditions, it is women who carry the seeds, both of our own future generations and of the plant life. It is women who plant and tend the gardens, and women who bear and raise the children. Women also owned the property and the longhouse. When a woman got married, her husband would come to live in her family's longhouse. Their children belonged to the mother's clan. For example, if the mother was a member of the Bear clan and the father was a member of the Wolf clan, then the children would be of the Bear clan. The women raised corn, beans, and squash, which were the main food supply of the Iroquois. These crops were known as the Three Sisters. Tobacco was known as the brother crop of the sisters, since it was used in the ceremonies. So using page 79 in the textbook to fill in the diagram on page 8 of your booklet. When you're finished, you can submit your assignment.